morning. So you guys share a part of your morning with us. So we wanted to share a part of our morning with you. And for Charles's wife is Cuban, I'm Cuban, and a big part of our mornings is Cuban coffee. So we're doing a tutorial on how to make a proper Cuban café. This is a cafetera, so we take this, we're gonna fill it up with water real quick, and you kind of have to put it like right where this thing is. Like if you look inside, you have to put it just at that height. Then you grab this, which I don't know what this is called, but put it inside.
Neither do I, so.
Yeah, we're good. Put the Cuban coffee there. You have to get a good Cuban coffee. So this one's Café La Llave, and like you can't smell it, but it just smells delicious. So you just screw it back on, nice and tight, and you put it on high heat, high. You kind of just gotta give it a couple minutes. And then these are our cute little tazas and our little plates, courtesy of Charles. He found a value set of Cuban porcelain coffee mug sets, and that's what we're having our Cuban coffee in this morning. Yep. So the trick to a good Cuban coffee is espumita, which is basically sugar. So we'll probably put like roughly two spoonfuls of that. And once this starts to heat up, which you'll start to hear it, it's like a wheezing sound that it makes. Mm-hmm. You pour a very little bit amount. You stir really, really quick, and it gets like a foamy, caramelized sugar. Okay. And then you pour the rest in. So you stir a little bit, you put it back on, and you start stirring. And you see it kind of gets like a crystallized coffee sugar. So you see kind of how the sugar looks, like it's like thick. So once it's dancing, we're gonna turn this off. And you hear it. Like, do you hear it? It's like, I don't know, I love it. And you just pour the rest back in. See, a dark coffee. And you just mix it all together. Then we're gonna pour this in. It's kind of like little shots of coffee that you have. Like a little, think of it like an espresso.
I like that.
And you see, then you have the espumita kind of left there a little bit. So what it is like the espumita makes that, you see how on the top it's like brown? Mm-hmm. That's that.
Salud.
Salud. Good. Really energized.
Wow.
And there you go.
Sorry.
That's how you make Cuban coffee.
I probably shouldn't have laughed out loud this last part.